Well, no, that's not how you do it. You can't go like this. I do it like that, so you know my hind end's coming out. different pieces of music. And it just depends how much they play. But between each beat, there's usually an 8-count toma. And a toma is. That's 8. So that's a toma. There's usually a toma between the beats in competition. At the end of our music, he puts a toma. It's usually 8 count. No, it's usually 16 we begin. 16 usually with us.